pretty, but it tastes great. Let's see if that still holds true today for Lizz's Ugly Bakery. It's Rob and Liz on His Radio.
I hope so. I hope they're good. I will never probably make cannolis ever again. I was burned several times.
Is that what these things are? Okay.
Yes, these are cannolis. They are I had them in New York City years ago because I had them locally and I was not a fan. And so somebody talked me into having one in New York. And like Ian said earlier, the first time he ever tried one, life was changed.
Oh, this is a life changer moment here, huh?
This is a life changer. And I made it with, I like mascarpone cheese better in desserts, but this is using ricotta cheese, which has a little bit of a different texture, but you mix it with powdered sugar. And on these cannolis, I have put chocolate chips, and I've also decorated them with pistachios.
So here's the thing. You'll see the entire Lizz's Ugly Bakery. We take a trip into her bakery, her kitchen, at her home, and it's on the blog right now, Rob and Liz blog. That's at hisradio.com. So you'll be able to see their recipe and everything for these cannolis.
And even tips, because I found the recipe that I had chosen was not 100% correct. I had to fix it going in.
You fixed it?
I had to because it didn't call for enough water, enough moisture in the dough for the cannoli, and it was ending up to be breadcrumbs.
Okay.
So there's some tips in there.
A couple of these have like chocolate chips on them.
Yes.
And then mine has pistachios on it.
Yeah, and you can choose either one. So I would love for you to, I'm going to fill this cannoli while you do this with my piping bag. So if you want to watch that on the video, watch it live, you can see that and go back and watch it. But see, it's your piping bag. You've got the ricotta cheese filling in there. You just pipe it in the little cannoli shell, which is where I got burned. And there you go.
Nice.
How cute is that?
That is cool. What are you going to put on it?
I'll probably put pistachios.
Okay, go for
mine.
it.
Okay, I'm just going to do this one.
Ian and TJ are in our video department. They're our producers. They always do the taste test.
Yep.
So let's get their perspective. TJ? Oh, he's already eating it.
Oh, good.
It's in his mouth already.
Was it? He always takes a moment to think about it.
He does. So what do you think?
So,
this is bad news.
it's not bad.
Okay.
It's not terrible.
All good.
It's not terrible. That's what every woman wants to hear.
Yeah. It's not as sweet as I like things.
Okay.
But I think it's probably the ricotta cheese in there.
Yeah. And it's supposed to be.
And the texture's a little weird.
And that's because TJ is a texture guy.
Yeah. But other than that, I mean, I'll eat the rest of it.
Okay. Well, that's good news because he doesn't always.
Okay. Ian.
Well, I personally think it's awesome. The filling is really good, and I am... What? Oh. Yeah, it's really good, and the filling is really good, and I had a feeling it would be.
Oh, wow.
So,
Dad joke.
Bad dad. He's not even a dad.
I couldn't help it, but no, really good. And this is my first time having... excuse me. Got pistachio down my throat. This is my first time having pistachio on a dessert. And it got on my pants. It's really good.
Good. All right, okay. Rob, it's your turn.
I'll take a little bite.
Yeah.
I'm ending my intermittent fast an hour early for you.
Okay,
so
take a bite right in there in the microphone. Was it crispy? Because it didn't sound crispy.
No, it didn't crack.
It didn't?
I like the pistachios.
Okay. It didn't crunch.
That's okay.
Well, they're supposed to.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. They did yesterday. I think maybe they just sat too long.
Good. I like it.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, I think the not being so sweet is good. And I think that's, in America, we put a lot of sugar in our desserts.
Yeah.
And I even backed off the sugar. She called for 4 cups of powdered sugar.
What'd you do?
I backed it to 3.
Oh, good. Well, it's not 4.
No. I mean,
it's good for you for backing off.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. You just have a little bit in yours.
That helps me.
Yeah.
Big time. Lizz's Ugly Bakery. It might not look pretty, but it tastes great. Right. You'll see the whole recipe, everything, even a peek into Lizz's kitchen on our website, hisradio.com. Just click on the Rob and Liz blog. You'll see it all right there.